Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to build a simple Grafana dashboard using the public APIs. For the demo, today we will be using COVID-19 public APIs and we will be building the dashboards around that. I'll be using Grafana Infinity data source for pulling the data from public APIs into Grafana. So I will post you the link. Then if you go to the bottom of the page, you will see the plugin guide. Plugin guide is will give you the details about how to install the plugin, what are the features available, and how to use the plugin. Right? Okay. Let's see what APIs we can use. For the demo, I choose two APIs. First one is the COVID-19 API. If you scroll down, you will get some documentation around that API. Maybe you can search in Google for public APIs, Grafana COVID-19 public APIs, and you will get a list of APIs. So here in this list, what we see is the default one. Okay, so let's choose what the summary gives. Okay, summary gives the high level details. Okay, that's pretty much good. Okay, then there's a one more API. It's county data API. County data will give you county level information. So we are going to use this data and we are going to build the dashboards in Grafana, right? Okay, so this is my Grafana installation. So what I have is I have a plugin installed. Now I'm going to create a data source for that. Okay, so let's search for the Infinity, and this is the data source I am interested. Select, give some name. I give name just Nemo. Save, no checks required, that's fine. Let's start building our dashboard. First, let's see if we can pull this summary data into Grafana. Let's see what the summary details gives. I'm just going to call this. Okay, so this gives us some nice details about the COVID APIs. Let me put into JSON viewer. Okay, you can see message, global, and countries. Now we will be visualizing the country details. Okay, so let's create a dashboard. Add new panel. Let's put this as a table panel for now, and let's choose the data source. Data source is demo, and here you can see lots of options available. CSV, JSON. Since our data is in JSON format, I just choose JSON, and it's asking for the URL. That's our data URL, and here it is. So the apa.covid19ap.com/summary. So I'm just going to paste this in my dashboard, right? So then we need to specify where our rows or root data is located. Let's find message. It's a countries. Countries is our root node. So I'm just put countries as my root node. If your data is in a root level, you don't need to specify anything. I will explain you. Sure. Okay, now we need to choose columns. What columns we want to display? First, I want to display the country name, right? Country name, and country name is column country. So let's put country, and it's of string type. Okay, let's see what data it pulls. Okay, it gets all the country name now. Now we want to display total confirmed cases. So total confirmed cases. Let's go back to Grafana, add new column, and let's name it as total confirmed cases. Then it is of number column, right? Okay, so it's coming in. Now let's add one more column, total deaths. And the column name is total deaths, and it's of number type. Okay, so now we have all our data. Now you can use all the Grafana features in top of the table panel to make it more beautiful. So let's add some overrides. Filter by confirmed cases. Let's put the LCD gauge. Okay, same way filter. Let's add total deaths, and let's put this as a LCD gauge. Okay, gradient gauge. Okay, so now you have this table available. So if now you can start this. Now you can see US having more number of cases, and again US is again topping with total number of deaths. Okay, so this is the one panel we created with this public API with simple steps. Now let's see if we can get some other types of panel. Okay, let me duplicate this. Okay, let's see if we can convert this into a world map panel. Right, let's edit with the same query. I'm just going to change the visualization type to world map panel. Okay, but the world map panel is expecting some data in some particular format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see, okay, location data is countries, that's correct. So what I'm going to do is instead of so I want only visualize total confirmed cases in this graph. So let's remove this. Okay, so instead of country we'll choose country code. Let's see. Okay, this is not coming because it doesn't like the table format, so let's just convert into time series. Okay, now you got the data. So all the same data, total confirmed cases, now it's visualized into graph panel, right? Okay, in same way we can build the same data into multiple different formats. Okay, now you can do all this other UI stuff, usual Grafana UI stuff. Let's see if we can get the if we can convert this into a pie chart panel. So let's duplicate this. I want to convert this into a pie chart panel. So I want only one number column. I want this time I want to visualize the total deaths. Okay, total deaths, and this to be time series, and in the visualization I'm going to change it to pie chart, right? Okay, here we go. So now we have the data, the same data but in pie chart format. So now you understand with this infinity panel you can visualize the data in any format you like, right? Now let's use the other API to visualize what we can see with the county level details. So this is the API I am interested in. So this will give me county level information. So let's put what this gives. Okay, let's copy this and put it in JSON viewer just to format. Okay, okay, format. Okay, here we go. So we have county name, state name, and all these details. Again, here this is in message. So let's do. What I'm going to do is again. Let's resize this. Duplicate, edit, and here let's paste our new URL, county URL. So instead of countries we will be using message here, message, and county name, and county name is our county name. Okay, then what we want to visualize, we want to visualize the confirmed cases. Okay, confirmed cases number. Then we have latitude and longitude. Okay, this time let it be a table. Let's see if we can visualize this, right? So then if you look at the world map panel, instead of countries we will be choosing geohash. Yes, geohash. So what is the location name field? No, it's not geohash. So For the latitude longitude we need to use latitude longitude, it should be okay. Okay, it's not table. Yes, table format. So because our data is in the table format, so it's a table format. We have coordinates, and our location field is location name field, and this county name, and metric field is okay. This is county name, and then we have total confirmed cases as a metric, and latitude longitude remains the same. Now you can see it's US details coming in. So let's zoom in. So instead of center, North America, let's zoom in here, zoom to 4. Yeah, now this looks good. Now this have automatic thresholds, so make circle size. Let's see if we can put some thresholds. So yeah, this should be green, and this should be red, like this. Transport. Yeah. Now you have some beautiful graph world map panel with this COVID-19 data. So now you understand how you can create the simple dashboard with this COVID API, public API with Grafana Infinity data source, right? Yeah, that's it. Thank you.